Welcome guys into Logic Design. Today I will speak about number systems. I will divide numbers into 4 systems, which are the decimal, the octal, the binary, and the hexadecimal number systems. Let's start with decimal numbers. It has a base of 10, so it's composed from numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Each digit has a weight of 10, so there is a ones, tens, and more, where each digit is bigger or smaller than the nearest digit by 10. Now, to evaluate any decimal number, you have to break it down into a series of multiple of tens and sum these products. Now we should move into octal system. It has a base of 8, so it contains the numbers from 0 to 7 only. Each number has a weight of 8, where each digit is bigger or smaller than the next digit by 8. Also evaluating these numbers done by breaking down these numbers into multiples of 8s and sum their products. Now hexadecimal numbers. This system has a base of 16. It has 16 digits, which are the numbers from 0 to 9 plus the letters A, B, C, D, E, and F, where A indicates 10, B indicates 11, C indicates 12, indicates 13, E indicates 14, F indicates 15. Each hexadecimal number has a weight of 16, and each digit is bigger or smaller than the nearest digit by 16. So evaluating these numbers done by breaking down these numbers into a multiple of 16s and sum their products. Finally, binary number system. It has a base of 2, so it composed from numbers 1 and 0 only. We can use this system to deal with computers by expressing 1 as a high logic bit and 0 as a low logic bit. Moreover, evaluating these numbers done by breaking down these numbers into multiples of 2s and sum their products. Note that it's important to know the multiple of 2s during this course because I will use it a lot. So guys, if you are interested in this topic, subscribe my channel, like the videos and share it with your friends.